Hey, this is your girl Shema. Hope all is well with you. So today I'm launching a module and a training on rebuilding relationships with your children. I know the feeling. I was married and the children, unfortunately, they always get caught up in the middle. And so after seeing the way it impacted my children, the traumatic things that occurred, my relationship with my children was broken. I didn't know how to get it back. I didn't know, it was a lot of things I did not know and did not understand. And so I put this training together just to coach some women or men, to coach you through how to get that relationship back with your child that's been broken. It's very hurting when the ones that you love the most seem like they may not love you back anymore. The damage may be too extensive. Well, where there's a will, there's a way. And so I put this program together. If this is something you feel that you need, please reach out to me. You can put a comment below, subscribe, like this channel, and sign up for the program. You can contact me, also Facebook, Shema Ladd, premarital coach and personal development coach. I'm all about changing those things in the mindset, changing those things on the inside to be able to achieve your goals and your dreams and the things that you want to do in life. So hit me up. You can find me on LinkedIn also, and we can begin mending those relationships with your children. So until then, see you later. Bye.